Hi everyone. In this session, I'll talk about two open source tools. The first one is Falco, which is cloud native security tool, and the second one is RunWhen Local. I call it as a virtual Kubernetes team. So let's start with Falco. Basically, it's a runtime threat detection engine which was created by Sysdig and was contributed to CNCF in 2018. And the stat you can see it has been downloaded more than 50 million times with a growth of 480% in the last 2 years. Mainly, Falco consists of three components, three layers. We can say the first one is events, second one is rules engine, and the third one is alert. So what it will do is just assume it is having some predefined rules configured in a rules engine. So what it will do it will just analyze the current behavior of the system, and it will cross check with the list of rules already defined. If it see any violation, then it will trigger an alert if the positive match is found. And it uses the main thing is it uses eBPF technologies. Let's try to deploy the Falco so that the pods will be up and running. Meanwhile, I'll take you through the architecture, like how I have designed it. Meanwhile, I'll just take you through the architecture. So currently, what I did is I just selected a domain name and mapped it to the NLB, and the NLB will route the traffic to Nginx service, from Nginx service to the Kubernetes service, like application service, Kubernetes service, and then from service to pod. And you can find this image in AWS documents as well. So this is a high level architecture which I have implemented here. And for certificate management, I'm using like cert manager. Let's see whether the pods are up and running. And meanwhile, I will just deploy ingress as well. Sorry. Let's validate whether the RunWhen is running or not. This tool can help me in troubleshooting if I face any issues. It's already up and running. I'll just open. Yeah, the UI is also accessible. Let's validate the pods. This RunWhen local, it has already scanned the cluster. It is just waiting for us to take those commands and use it in case of any issues. Yeah, I'll just try to access this URL. Oh, I see the 503, but the pod is up and running. The pods are up and running. Even the Falco UI is up and running. Without wasting any time, I just wanted to use virtual Kubernetes engineer, my friend here, you ingress. Why? Because it's related to ingress. I wanted to know the owner and service health. Let's check. So yeah, it has found the error, the service not found. Let's check the service. Yeah, there is an extra I here. Maybe I just need to edit that ingress. Let's try to access this application. Done. So within less than a minute, I'm able to quickly troubleshoot and I'm able to access the Falco dashboard. And this dashboard can help us in